The Parallax ATS503 power supply transfer switch delivers dependable automatic switching between shore power and generator power for 50 amp 120/240 volt electrical systems in recreational vehicles and similar setups. Its internal electronics are designed to keep power transfers smooth and consistent, helping protect sensitive appliances from voltage irregularities during source changes. The robust circuit board and components have been tested to handle sustained heat and mechanical stress, which inspires confidence for long-term heavy-duty use. A low-profile housing that is only a few inches tall makes it much easier to fit this transfer switch into tight compartments where bulkier units will not go. Installers will appreciate that it can be mounted and wired without removing the cover, which simplifies setup and reduces time spent on the job. A built-in manual control over the time delay feature works well with inverter-based systems, giving users more flexibility in how and when power is transferred.